All right, so I think this is recording. Here they want us to simplify this product. We know that we're working within the set of complex numbers, and that when we see a negative radicand, that introduces the imaginary unit into our answer, that by definition the square root of -1 is equal to I. So in this first binomial, well, the very first term here is asking what's the square root of 16. Well, there's no negative associated. The square root of 16 is simply 4. And then over here, we have the square root of -9. The negative radicand is going to introduce that imaginary unit into our answer. And the square root of 9 is 3. So here in the next binomial, this first term, 2 times the square root of 4. We know what the square root of 4 is. The square root of 4 is 2. We know, again, look, it's the same thing. It's the square root of -9. We just argued that that was 3i. So we have that same argument. So we've got 4 minus 3i, and 2 times 2, 4 plus 3i. And this is a special kind of product when you see that the numbers, the real part and the imaginary part are the same, except that the imaginary part is opposite in sign. This is plus 3i, and this is plus 3i, and this is minus 3i. So when we do our table, every time we have what they refer to as complex conjugates, our middle, our one diagonal are going to be equal and opposite, and they're going to cancel. So let's take a look at what I mean by that. So we've got 4 minus 3i and 4 plus 3i. So when we multiply 4 times 4, we get k'd, and we have 4 times 3i is 12i. Here we have negative 3i times 4, which is negative 12i. So do you see how these are going to cancel? 12i take away 12i is 0. And every time that we have these guys, one being negative and one being positive, and the other numbers being the same, that's going to happen. Sorry about that. I don't know how to pause the video. So negative 3i times a positive 3i is negative 9i squared, which is just 9. So we have 16 plus 9 is 25. And that's our final answer. Some people, I guess, could write 25 plus 0i, but there's no need. We can just write it as 25. So I will talk to you later. Bye.